bless you in the world.
Mentioned that he was the 40th man to embrace Islam. And Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he embraced Islam by the virtue of the dua made by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam made dua that Allah Azza wa Jal blessed the religion of Islam with the honor and eminence, especially through Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he made dua for Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he accepted Islam through the virtue of the dua made by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Therefore, he has been given the title of the one who completed the 40th, because he was the 40th person to accept Islam. And you know, when Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiallahu ta'ala anhu, when he accepted Islam, the Muslims, they became very happy. To an extent, the my dear Islamic brothers, once Sayyidina Farooq Azam radiallahu ta'ala anhu accepted Islam, the Muslims started to worship openly, in public, meaning they started to go to the blessed haram, the sacred haram, and that's where they used to worship Allah Azza wa Jal in the open as well.